dinner for today, chicken potatoes biryani with reta and dew and roast. Alhamdulillah for our foods for today. It's cooking time again. Today my recipe is chicken potatoes biryani. So first I put this onions. Now to be followed by garlics. As you can see the garlics. Ayan, daming garlics. Unlimited kasi native ito. Native organic garlics. Ayan. As usual, here I'm cooking in chimney or pugon or anggiti. Now we can put na also this ginger. And then tomatoes and green chili. Now next we can put now this biryani masala. I have little extra here so I will put this one. But this is not enough so I will add one more. Yan, dalawang ano ito. So ito na. But I will not put all this one. I make half. Yan. So this is enough. Now we can add little bit water. And then salt. 2 teaspoons. Tomatoes is already paste. Now we can add now this chicken. We can put also potatoes, optional, but it's more tasty if you put more potatoes. So we put first this one. To be followed by chicken. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is enough because I make also roast 8 or 10 pieces because Fahad he bought 2 chicken, 2 pieces whole chicken. So what is like this? So I will keep this one for my adobo, and this one also we have to keep this one for biryani. This one gizzard because my husband he like this one. Now we can put also yogurt so it become more tasty. This is yogurt commercial because I don't have available organic yogurt. So I will put 2 tablespoons. And this one for my adobo, and this one for my roast. Just I mix, add all-purpose flour, and then milk, all what you call this, fresh milk from buffalo, and then salt and red chilies, red chilies powder. So after this one, I will fry. I put water here for rice, and I keep here, I transfer here in another container, because if I cook rice here, then this is not enough, this casserole. Because I will cook 1.5 kilogram of basmati rice. So this one, I wash first 3 times, then I soak water here for 10 to 15 minutes. Until boiling this one, then I have to put now this one. I remove water, then I put here. It's almost boiling now, so I have to wait more to boil more. So this is almost half cooked rice. Then after, I will remove this water, and then I make layer this one chicken with potatoes. 3 layers I have to make. Still hard, this rice. So I remove already water from this rice. Now I remove some here, because I make layer now. Now we have to put now here. Then next, I have to put again this rice here. 3 layers I have to make it. Ito na yung second batch, 5 pieces. At saka ito naman yung first batch, 5 pieces din. Bali, 10 pieces itong roast na pre-night ko. Tigda dalawa kami. And then ito na yung biryani. Chicken, potatoes, biryani.